Raj Yoga, which is called the king of all yoga. It is also said in Smriti Shastra, Rajatvat Sarva Yoganam Raj Yoga iti smrita, about the characteristic of Raj Yoga, and it has been said in the scriptures about its sadhana. The reason for creation, existence and destruction is the inner self, with the help of which the means are made. That is called Raj Yoga. In other words, the human mind is the cause of creation, Srishti, its existence, Sthiti, and its end, Laya. The path to reach God with the help of this mind is called Raj Yoga. Mind, intellect, chit and ego. These are the four types of conscience. Together, these are called Antakaran, means conscience. The conscience is the seer and the world is the thing seen. In this way, the conscience is the cause and this world is its function. The universe is created only when there is a relationship between the two. These relationships are formed only because of the fickle thoughts of the mind. Raj Yoga is to overcome these thoughts and know your true nature. In Raj Yoga sadhana, thinking and intellect prevail. Raj Yoga is achieved through the perfection of Sakti. Success is achieved only by completely controlling the thoughts. In Raj Yoga, meditation is called Brahma Sadhana and Samadhi is called Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Those who attain Siddhi, means mastery through Raj Yoga, are called Jivan Mukta. Other types of yoga like Mantra Yoga, Hatha Yoga and Laya Yoga also lead to Raj Yoga with the help of Tattva Gyan. That is why Raj Yoga is considered the best yoga. The methods of Raj Yoga are divided into 16 parts which are described in the scriptures. There are 16 parts of Raj Yoga consisting of 16 arts. According to Saptagyana Bhumikas, there are 7 parts which are based on thoughts. They have many types of resources, 2 organs of perceptions. Focusing on nature is called Prakriti Dhyana and concentrating on Brahma, God, is called Brahma Dharana. Concentrating on the vast universe is called Virat Dhyana. Concentrating on Ishta Devata is called Isha Dhyana. Concentrating on the formless Brahma is called Brahma Dhyana. 4 parts of Samadhi: Savichar Samadhi, comings of thoughts in meditation; Nirvichar Samadhi, absence of thoughts in meditation; Sananda Samadhi, experiencing bliss in meditation; Nirvichar Nirananda Samadhi, neither thoughts come nor joy is experienced in meditation. Raj Yoga has 16 parts which are based on thoughts and meditation. Dharana, meditation and Samadhi are the main parts of Raj Yoga. Success in Raj Yoga can be achieved only after achieving success in Mantra Yoga, Hatha Yoga and Laya Yoga. It is written in Raj Yoga Samhita, Raj Yoga begins with Dharana and meditation and its main goal is to attain Samadhi state. There are many stages in Samadhi that have to be passed: Vishesh Linga, Avishesh Linga, Ling and Aling. These are 4 types of stage. Even Aling is worth giving up. I am Brahma also does not persist in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. When there is no doubt or no option left, then there is Turiya state. The state of Samadhi cannot be known from the scriptures. It can be explained only by those gurus or master who had spiritual experience. By practicing the methods of Raj Yoga, the yogi has to pass through various stages of Samadhi and ultimately comes to know his own nature. This is the state of liberation and this is the ultimate goal of yoga.